This is the easiest way to collect all the reviews information from any place in Google Maps. First, we have to register for free at serpapi.com, and from your dashboard, you can click copy your API key. Then back to the NoCode serpapi.com site, you can set your API key in the settings, paste and save. Now you are ready to perform any available search from this page. Choose Google Maps reviews and search for any query like you would perform in the Google Maps itself. You can also pick a specific location. For example, I'm going to look for New York. You can set the latitude or longitude manually and click submit. It will use 1 credit and it will show you list of places that are available from Google Maps. Now you can choose if you want to get the first page review or get all the reviews. For example, I'm going to pick the first review of this place. It will export an Excel file for me, and here I can see all the rating, snippet, and other information from the first reviews page. Now let's see what if we want to get all the reviews. We will use around 5 credits because it consists of 5 pages. And after a few seconds, now we will see a longer result which includes all the snippets that are available from all reviews. That's it. Feel free to try.